Here's how you can write your prompt to create stunning ad campaigns that reach the right audience with our ChatGPT integration. Let's say you are a real estate agent who wants to run a personal ad campaign in their market. They would enter a prompt that looks like this. And here is the targeting and ad creative that would have been generated with AI. Now let's say that the same real estate agent wants to create an ad to promote a specific home they are selling. The prompt could be adjusted to look like this, where we add the home's address and focus the prompt to be about the many features of the home. This is the targeting and ad copy that was generated with AI using this prompt. We already created ads for all of your other platforms from that same prompt. Just select another ad platform to see your ad waiting to be launched. If we take a look back at the prompt again, when you tap Generate Description, that creates a recommended prompt template that you can edit as you like. This section is the most important part of creating your ad. While we write the ad copy and recommend the targeting with AI, you're still in control and can edit any of your ad copy, targeting, or images and videos at any time. And here's one more example. Let's say you are promoting a jewelry store. While you could create an ad by simply promoting the jewelry store, your ad could perform better if you focus the prompt on one of the services you offer. For example, one of this jewelry store's best offerings is watch repairs. If you focus your ad or prompt on the specific service, your content will change to look like this. We can't wait to see all of the ads you create from just a single prompt with our ChatGPT feature.